Now the reason this is printing so slow is because we need to allow for curing time. You cannot print faster than what your mud below is curing. So you can add hardener so you're curing faster. And then you can speed the nozzle up. But on a house, you got several hundred yards of material being laid on first pass before it gets around to second pass. So by just tripling this design, you know, instead of about 6.5 feet here, if we were printing 21 feet, we can double the nozzle speed. When you're printing a house, you can lay down 10 to 12 inches a second. But on something small like this, we have to print slow. I mean, it's painful to watch because the printer's capable of printing much faster, but the mud has to cure at the same rate that the wall is being printed. Otherwise, it won't sustain the weight, the height, and it's not curing quick enough. Okay, so you can see down below, using the screen is one process that'll help tie these in and give it a little bit of structural support while it's curing. Another, just playing with different things, is these rebar tying wires. Obviously, this looks like it would work better, more expensive, especially since the screen isn't in those sizes and they have to be cut. But they cut very easily with a metal blade on a table saw, and you don't need a lot of them. Just another way to test, and we're putting both in this print just to show you, but you'd use one or the other. Anyway, once we get the test results, we'll be able to tell you. You can, you know, the numbers, strength of this versus strength of this here. And again, this isn't necessary. It's not going to give you any shear strength advantage. All it's doing is giving you some temporary support while you're printing the wall. And if you're printing a wall that is very long, a house, 100 yards per pass, it's not even necessary at all, because you're curing down here. Your time on this one here's, you know, a minute or so before you come back to pass 2, pass 3. But if I was doing a whole house, it would, you know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And it's all about curing your base at the same rate that you're adding weight up above.